This is a development that is now coming over when it comes to the investigation taking place in the Valmiki scam, the alleged scam. And the Karnataka Congress leader B. Nagendra, who has now been placed under arrest by the Enforcement Directorate, and the ED case that stems from the CBI FIR that was involving certain misappropriation of funds when it comes to the Maharishi Valmiki ST Development Corporation. We have Neha with us right now. Neha, when it comes to the central agency arresting this former minister, the developments here on that has taken up, please update us on the same.
Well, yes, that's right, Amita. In fact, it was about 24 hours ago at this very office of the Enforcement Directorate here, the zonal office in Bengaluru, where we saw the Congress minister. In fact, of course, in concern, the former minister, remember, was arrested last evening by the Enforcement Directorate, is what we're being told. In fact, of course, he was arrested over here on the charges of, aiding with the embezzlement of the funds. Remember, when this entire scandal actually broke out is when you had a government employee over there, dying by suicide, and in that suicide note going behind to in fact leave, those involved in this. Of course, at this point, what really remains to be seen, Amita, is that even as you have, of course, all of the investigation that's going on over here at the Enforcement Directorate, where the former Congress minister is, of course, here being questioned, being grilled by the ED, it remains to be seen how much more trouble really mounts at this point in time. There are names of several others as well that are coming up right now, like that of the MLA Basangauda Daddal, apart from which there are several other officials as well whose names have been thrown up over here, while the ED, of course, is investigating the case on its part here. On the other hand, we've seen the manner in which the politics around this entire case also has gone on to rock the state.
Right, but what happens today as far as the investigation picks up pace? Neha, if you can update us.
Yes, we're also in fact being told at this point that the Congress leader was in fact, taken for a medical examination after his arrest, and he was later produced before a magistrate as well, and that the ED has sought his custody. As far as the entire investigation into this case goes, there are several aspects, several angles right now that are coming forth, right from the fact that, this is a massive amount of money. The Union Bank of India had in fact, registered a complaint with the CBI, following which we saw raids over here by the ED in Bengaluru on several properties. After all of this, of course, what really remains to be seen is the former minister there, while he was being taken back inside the ED office, we did of course ask him about his involvement in this, and he merely went on to say just one line, that he has no role in any of this.